To remove an expansion card if present in the unit, first remove the access panel and the drives cage. Lift the latch for the expansion card's retaining bracket and swing the bracket out. If removing a graphics card from the PCI x16 slot, detach the serial PS2 module connector from the motherboard, if installed in the unit, and the hood sensor cable from the motherboard, and clear them from the card area. Press on the latch for the PCI x16 slot on the motherboard if removing a card from the PCI x16 slot. Carefully pull out the expansion card. To replace an expansion card, carefully align and push the card into its slot on the motherboard until it is fully seated. Replace the hood sensor and serial PS2 module connectors, if installed in the unit, to the motherboard if they were removed to service the graphics card. Rotate the expansion card's retaining bracket back into place to secure the card.